Let's learn to paint a stylized watercolor portrait. With this style, before we can get started, we need a decent line drawing. So I'm using my Tombow brush pen here to lay in some lines over my lay-in. And if you want to learn how to draw faces the way that you see here, kind of like that one on the left, or if you see the underdrawing of this guy on the right, check out this video here. I go through the whole process and it won't be a mystery. It'll be super easy and quick for you guys. So what I'm looking for here is to just create some interesting line weight. And line weight is simply where you're trying to have certain lines be thicker and darker than other lines to try and suggest depth. So I'm looking into areas kind of like the corner of the mouth there, sort of the overlapping folds of the suit jacket, and I'm making those areas a little bit darker, and other areas are going to be a little bit thinner and a little bit lighter. Some areas of the drawing or of the painting are going to have the darkness created not with watercolor, but with the mark making of the brush pen. Kind of like the eyes. And you see here some of the mark making and strokes of the hair are going to be created with the pen. And also I want to add that both of these portraits, the one you're seeing on the left is a master study, because I'm trying to get better with my stylized artwork of an artist on Instagram. I saved the photo, but I didn't capture his name, so unfortunately I can't reference him, but he's a great artist, great work. And this one on the right is an image from someone's thumbnail of, I think it's like a podcast series. I thought it was, this was a beautiful caricature, so I wanted to learn to capture the style. They both have kind of similar styles. One on the right didn't have any color, so I'm adding it now. And when it comes to the skin color, I simply mixed a little bit of magenta with some brown and yellow. You can see I'm using a very basic, simple praying watercolor set here. You don't need to use, super nice whatever set. You can just use this simple one. This is a super cheap set. I'm using magenta. That's coming from like Winsor & Newton. That's a little bit of a nicer color. It's not in this set, but it always helps out. And here I'm adding a little bit of blush to the cheeks. Usually the cheeks are a little bit redder, so I added a little bit of magenta in there and blended it out into the skin color. And when it comes to those lips, make sure you add a little bit of red to skin color. That's usually the way you can create lip color. It's the skin color plus a little bit of red. And the way that I look at this style of portraiture and adding the painting, like kind of the lighting style, I think of it as overexposed in a way, because so much of the skin is the white of the page that it makes the painting go by quicker and easier. And then you have areas that are much darker next to it to create contrast. So not only is it a more punchy, contrasty looking work of art, but it's also quicker and easier to produce. So that's one of the reasons I really like this style, and I'm trying to learn it a little bit better, and I'm sharing it with you guys. And for the suit jacket, I'm just using some indigo, using some of that color. And then one of the things I like about this style that makes it punchy is this blue outline working around it. And that's kind of the finishing touch to this portrait style. It's very simple, you can get it done kind of quickly, and it's very enjoyable. I think it's lots of fun. So now that we've wrapped this up, here's another mixed media watercolor portrait style that you can check out this video. And if you're looking for a more beginner styled watercolor tutorial, then check this one out. That'll get you up to speed. Enjoy!